going to show you about sink and float. What is sink? Is go to the bottom, that means it's sink. One is goes top, that means it's float. I have some items. Let's see if it's sink or float. This cup, let's see if it's sink or float. It's float. This toy, let's see if it's sink or float. It floats too. Let's see this metal spoon if it's sink or float. Float, sink. Let's see this egg. This sink or float. It's sink. Let's see this coin. Is it sink or float? It floats too.
Coin?
The coin is not floating. It's only sink. It's in the bottom. It says sink. This plastic spoon. Let's see if it's sink or float. It's float. This butterfly. Let's see if it's sink or float. So it's float. This pencil, let's see if it's sink or float. It's float. This battery, let's see if it's sink or float. It's sink. This leaf, let's see if it's sink or float. It's float. I think this orange can float. Yeah, it floats. Let's see this puzzle. It's float. This razor, let's see. It's sink. Let's see this what it called oil. Let's see, it is a float. Wow, it floats. Thank you, teacher. This is so fun and I enjoyed very well. Thank you. Bye bye.